All right. So today we will see about the cron jobs, okay, or cron tab jobs. So these are basically scheduled jobs. So when we are talking about the scheduled jobs, means these jobs we can run on a regular intervals. So it is basically coming with 5 parameters. So by default, if you put something like this, 5 asterisk, so it indicates every 1 minute. Okay. Now, if I say what is the meaning of first parameter? So first asterisk in our first parameter indicates minute. Second parameter indicates the hour. Third parameter indicates day, which is having value 1 to 31, right? So it depends upon which uh, month day we are talking about. And then we are having month, which is having value 1 to 12. And then we are having the uh, after month, it is day of the week. So day of the week is having uh, day of the week. It is having values 0 to 7, where 0 and 7 indicates Sunday. Okay, so that indicates Sunday. So this is how cron tab jobs we can configure. Now, if you want to see uh, what are the cron tab jobs which is configured for this user. So if I say who am I, so I'm currently logged in as a root user. And if I say cron tab minus L command, so it will show that what are the cron tab jobs which are configured for me. So as of now, there is no cron tab job is configured for me. So if you want to write a cron tab job, so what I will do here, I will create a directory called cron tab directory, and I will go inside this directory, and I will create a normal .sh file. Say I will say uh, cron -1.sh file, and here I will write echo and hello world, and I will just append it into a file, say tmp slash and uh, cron file, I'll say cron file.txt. Okay, I want to execute this script when my cron tab job get triggered. So here I will give chmod and 777. I'm giving full permission, but you can give the permission accordingly. So now this permission I had given. Now what I will do, I will say cron and tab minus E to edit the cron job. Here, I want to execute this job at every 1 minute. Okay, I want it is to be executed repeatedly. And I need to give that path, which is in my case slash home, and that Raman directory. Under that, I have script directory. Under that, cron tab, and under that, cron -1 dot sh file. So I want to execute this path, and I will say save yes. So, oh, sorry, there is a mistake. So here I will put .sh, and I will save this, right? So if I say cron tab minus L, it will list this job. Now my file name is cron1.sh, that is correct. Now if I say ls/tmp, so here so far we don't have that file which we have mentioned under this script. So if I say cat and cron1.sh, so under temp, it should create cronfile.txt file. So we need to wait for 1 minute when our job gets scheduled, and it will create that file which is not yet created. Okay, so looks like 1 minute is not over, and yeah, right, and we will wait. Okay. Now you can see cron file.txt is created. So it will be executed every 1 minute. Now, if I see the content of this TMP and cron file.txt, so you can see it is having hello world. Now, uh, same way, if I give some more examples of that format. So if I say that I want to execute this particular task every 10 minutes. So what you can do, /10. Okay. So I will give some examples. So every 10 minutes. So what you can do, asterisk /10 and asterisk, 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 and asterisk. So that is every 10 minutes. You want to execute every 2 hours. So what you can do, you can say every 2 hours. So asterisk and asterisk /2 and another 3 asterisks. So this is every 2 hours. If you want to execute your task every uh, every day at 5:10 a.m., then what you can do, you can say 10 and 5 and asterisk, asterisk, and asterisk. If you want to execute your cron job, which is uh, every month, every month on Sunday, okay, at midnight, right? So what you can do, midnight means 0 and 0. This is midnight. And month, day, if you want to execute every day, yes, and every month, and then you can put 0 or 7. So it will be executed on every month on Sunday, right? So this way you can execute. Now, if you see here, ls minus, if I run that command, cat/tmp and cron file.txt, so this get executed 3 times. See, 3 times it got executed. Now, if I see the date and time, right? So this is the date 29th. Let me remove the cron job. So I'll say crontab minus R. It will remove all the cron jobs. Now, if I say crontab and minus L, so you can see there is no cron job. Now, if you want to uh, if you want to uh, create a cron job which is to be executed at 8:48, if I say. So what I will do, cron tab minus E command, and here the time is 48 minutes, column, right? And 8 and asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. So this will be executed on 8:48, right? And I will give the path, which is home/Raman/script and slash crontab/cron -1.sh. Okay, now let me save this. Now let me remove that file, which is rm/tmp/cron asterisk dot asterisk. So, so both the files get removed. Now, if I say ls/tmp, so you will not find that file. And Currently time is 8:47. Once it reached to 8:48, then it will execute my script. So let us wait for this. Right. So this is now 8:48. Now you can see cron file.txt got created. Now if I say cat and cron, that is under tmp root tmp slash cron file.txt. So you can see this file is created. Now it will not be repeated every 1 minute. It will be executed tomorrow at 8:48. So this is all about the Crontab.